James. Rather annoying chatty bloke in the tube.
Oh, yes, hi.
You look all stressed up with nowhere to go. It's only a job, you'll get another one. That's something else, isn't it? You know, sometimes it helps to just say whatever it is out loud. It also helps if people just mind their own business and leave you alone. Sorry.
When I left you at the tube earlier, I went home and found my boyfriend.
In bed with another woman? Shit. I'm sorry. I mean, what an idiot.
It's okay, you weren't to know.
No, not me. Your boyfriend. He's an idiot. Sorry, it's not my place.
It's okay.
Well, look, if it makes you feel any better, you see that bloke over there? Not only does he own a personalised matching set of crocodile skin luggage, but his favourite TV programme is Baywatch. So you see, there's always someone sadder than you. Do you love him?
No, I could never love a Baywatch fan. Never love a Baywatch fan.
You did a joke in the midst of your turbulent emotional state. That's very positive.